Let's go. Start.
So, I'm taking class with a shared subject, social skills.
Okay.
So first of all, humans must show their feelings.
Okay. Can you explain that a little bit to us? What do you mean by that?
That means to show their feeling is some feeling that makes you happy.
Yeah, you can probably, yeah. And don't come near us, stay far away, social distancing,
Yeah.
and you can explain to us, okay?
So to show their feelings is like making everyone feel very happy. It's
Okay.
a good idea to show their happy feelings.
Okay, quick question. Should we show only happy feelings or can we show sad feelings, angry feelings? So can we show different feelings or not?
We can show a different type of feelings also.
Okay,
It's
excellent.
important to show different type of feelings.
Okay, excellent. All right.
So let's see. So my example is I feel happy when I in my school with friends by smiling and being kind to my friends, and I also talk to my friends kindly, and I also take care and look into their eye contact.
So you look into their eyes. It's not look into eye contact. You
Or
can
make
say
eye
I look
contact.
into, yeah, or make eye contact.
Yeah,
Okay,
make
excellent.
eye contact.
Yes. How do you show to your friends that you are kind? How do you show?
By showing happy face,
And by
by giving handshake on face.
yes, you shake hands. You also hug your friends, and you also help them, right?
yeah, correct someone's mistake, and I also help my friends. If my friend Kevin feels upset, I could tell him to calm down or can chill for some time.
Nice, very nice. So that's nice. So you are being calm and you are helping your friends and you're showing happy feelings and you're
Yeah.
helping your friends, which is excellent. Okay, can we go to the next one?
Sure. So it is very good and healthy to show your feelings to others.
Mm-hmm. Explain.
So it is very important to show good and other feelings to others, but only different feelings like upset or angry. That can be a different feeling.
Okay, cool. Can you do me a favor and can you just go to slideshow on top? Can you click on slideshow?
Or slideshow.
Look up on the taskbar, Pranav. Up.
Oh, the taskbar is
It's a no, not that. Up. The near animations, transition animation, slideshow. I want slideshow. I want slideshow.
slideshow. Here.
Yes, and can you say from current slide?
From
Yes, click on that, please. Thank you. I just want full screen, yeah? Thank you. That's
This is
great.
better.
Yes, this is better. So this is when you're doing a presentation, can you please remember that you need to show the full slide, so you
Yeah.
need to go into slideshow.
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, excellent. Continue. So you said it's very important to show your feelings to others. Okay,
Yeah.
again my question, should we show only happy feelings or can we show all feelings?
We should show our different feelings, but just not just happy feelings, but should show our different feelings like getting scared or angry, like that.
Okay, okay. Next.
So another example is I feel angry when my father comes to my room because he does not like me watching too many videos at the same time, and I asked him to just leave my room. So I tried closing the door, so I don't want my father to look at me, see what I was doing during what time and watching videos, but I should only do only one thing one.
Yeah, but baby, he's trying to help you, right? I mean, if
Yeah, yeah,
if you
but-
watch too many videos, so you're feeling angry. So do you show your anger to your father at that time?
Sometimes only I show angry face when I get into trouble always.
Okay, so you get upset and then you show your angry face. All right, that's nice. I'm happy that you're showing your feelings. What's the next point?
Next point, if you show your feelings and talk about your feelings, others can understand better.
Okay, others can understand you better, right?
Yeah.
So if you're simply showing angry face and you don't tell me what you're angry, will I understand?
No, that doesn't make sense like that.
Yes, you have to explain, right? Why
Yeah,
you are
I-
angry.
It is very good idea to explain to others, but it's only good idea to explain. So,
All right, understand.
So another example is I spoke to my cousin brother, Sharon, to ask him to come and stay in my house yesterday, but he said he was busy, so I felt sad and told him to come another day. So
That's
I-
excellent. That's excellent. I'm really happy that you coped well. So
Yeah.
you did not throw a tantrum. You did not,
I
start
don't
yelling at
worry
him.
at all.
Yeah, very nice.
I write message to my brother, and I always wanted to remind my brother to come to my place and spend some time. And also, my cousin brother can also come to my place for sleepover also.
Yes.
I would also tell them to come any day to come for sleepover also.
Yeah.
And like last time, my cousin brothers came to your place to wish you happy Diwali. When I also came to meet you and Anand for a Diwali celebration also.
Yes, yes, I know you like to have people around you. That's nice. That's wonderful. So I'm really, really happy. So you did feel sad when he said he can't come, but I am happy
He
that
was
you
busy,
then.
actually.
Yeah, he was busy. Correct. Yeah, people are busy. No, in the weekdays they're going to school, they're doing their studies, they're doing their work and stuff like that. So they can't come every day, no, baby. Yeah.
You can come in any day actually.
Yes, you are happy for them to come any day,
Yeah.
but they might not be able to come every day. Maybe they can come only in holidays. Okay.
During holidays.
Yes. Excellent. Good job, Prana.
So, if people understand your feelings, then they can help you and love more.
And
It's,
love you more. Love you more.
Yeah. So, it is very important to understand also and to just do only good feelings and love more.
No, what this means is that if people understand your feelings,
Understand
like
what-
Sharan understands that you are feeling sad because you're missing him, right?
Yeah.
Then he will understand you better and he will help you and he will love you more. He will try and come the next time. Yeah. But you have to tell Sharan that, look, I'm feeling sad because I miss you. Alright?
Yeah.
It's important to say that. Tell people what you are feeling.
Yeah.
Okay, very important to tell people, because if you tell them, then they will love you and they
more.
will care for you and they will help you also. Did you understand?
Solve and help also.
Yes.
Is
But
that-
but what should you do for that? You have to
I need to first
tell about.
tell about only about my feeling.
Yes, tell about your feelings. Okay, let's go for the next one.
See. So when I tell my sister Mahima to help me, because I'm sad, she makes my favorite cupcake or watch funny series.
Nice. So that's really nice. See what happened. You told Mahima
Yeah.
that you were feeling.
I was feeling very sad.
So what did Mahima do? Did she help you or did she not help you?
Mahima tried helping me.
Yes. Were you happy with her or not then?
I was happy that when Mahima was happy to watch that the series.
What is the name of the series?
Superstore series actually.
Nice. Very nice. Excellent example,
That was
Pranav.
nice.
Excellent. Good job.
So it is very bad idea and unhealthy to hide your feelings. So you're not supposed to. But hiding my feelings is not a good idea. Only we do bad things only. Sometimes only could only hide my own feelings.
Well, if you're hiding your feelings, then it will then other like you know. So you don't have to tell the whole world if you're doing something bad, but you can definitely come and talk to Akshay. You can talk to Anima, and you can tell your feelings to us, or you can even write in your journal. Right?
Yeah.
We are going to start a journal very soon. So every day you guys are going to write your journals, and we are going to start learning how to write our feelings in the journals. Okay? Okay, excellent. Let's go to the next one.
So my father goes to Dubai. I feel sad because I miss him. I hide my feelings
And don't tell your mother, okay?
I don't tell my mother or sister that I felt sad.
Oh my God, Pranav, this is so beautiful. You're really, I'm so proud of you. This is such an excellent example.
I know.
So proud of
Thank
you.
you, Akshay. I really love you.
I love
So,
you too, baby.
Akshay, Anima told me that she will order that the journal book.
Okay.
I will see if I can try and get it in any day.
No problem. This is excellent example, Pranav. Very nice about hiding your feelings. Okay. But listen to me. When you're feeling sad about Acha going to Dubai, you can always come and talk to me, yeah?
Or I could also talk to him to be back also.
Talk to?
Or I could message my father to
Come back. Yes, you can message him and you can tell him I'm missing you. Yes, you can definitely do that.
Yeah.
And you are always free to come and tell Akshay also, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent.
That will be a good idea actually.
All right, baby. Right.
So another sentence is if you hide your feelings and do not tell others, then people cannot understand you. So that means it can't understand about me.
Because why? Because you are?
So
Because you're hiding your
about the
feelings.
feelings. Actually.
Okay, give the example. I think you've got a great one there.
So my friend Mira was treating me so badly, and I felt very sad. She was hiding her feelings and not explaining to me why she was angry or upset.
Okay, excellent. Very nice example again. Yes, it can be very confusing when people don't explain their feelings to us. Yes, that is true.
Yeah. So if people do not understand your feelings, then they cannot help you, and they will hate you or for throwing tantrums and showing negative feelings to others. Showing negative feelings is a terrible idea, and it's not a good idea. But sometimes Ayush always throws some tantrums when he is not in that mood,
Yes, because Ayush cannot talk, no baby.
and he doesn't talk also.
He does not know. He struggles to tell you about his feelings. He's hiding his feelings. No, that's the problem.
And he gets worried always.
Yes, he gets worried and he gets anxious. It's really sad, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's why it is difficult for him, right? We have to help him. Yes.
Right.
Okay, give me the example for this one. Do you have an example?
Sorry.
Okay.
See, I miss Akshay when she goes to Korg. I feel sad and worried, but I don't talk about my feelings. Instead, I cried a lot, but
Oh.
no one knows why I was feeling upset or crying.
Oh.
So that's why it gives her some sad feelings.
Thank you for telling me this now. I did not know this. Thank you. Oh my God. Pranav, why don't you just come to Coorg with me next time?
Yeah, I will
Alright?
come.
Next time when we go with the dogs and with Anand to Coorg, I will take you and go with me, okay?
And what about my friend also?
Yeah, we can take your friend also, considering that he's going to be as kind as you.
What do you think, yeah?
Alright, let's do the last slide, Virat. I need to put this on YouTube.
Wait, there might be only till 16 slides.
Ah, okay, sorry. Continue.
So, if you hide your feelings, the mind will get sad, and slowly the mind will lose control and also go mad too.
Very scary.
So,
You need to click to exit. So just touch it again and it will exit.
so, but it's not such a good idea to do the control, but it's a terrible idea to do the control.
Yeah, because we have to talk about our feelings. Yeah, otherwise we can go mad, right? Do you have an example for that though? Like, do you know anybody who did not talk about their feelings and then they lost their control and they went mad? Do you know anybody like that?
No, not really.
All right, that's fine then.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And can we have a good clapping round?
Very good,
Thank you.
Margaret.
Yes,
Wow.
thank you,
That was
Kevin.
amazing what you did.
Amazing.